Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how you can install Ollama CLI on Windows 11. CLI means Command Line Interface. In this tutorial we will learn these two things. First we will see the installation of Ollama CLI on Windows, and also we will see how we can use the AI models with it. Then we will see how we can uninstall it. Let's begin. First of all, open your favorite browser and type download Ollama for Windows. And you will be landed on this page. So see this, here we have a different version for the CLI for operating systems like Mac OS, Linux and Windows. Here's the command. So use this copy button to copy the command. And now go to the PowerShell on your Windows. Once you open the PowerShell, you can simply paste this command and press enter. And here you will see downloading of Ollama for Windows version. Start downloading. Once the downloading is finished, you will see next message, which is the installation of Ollama. Right now you can see on my screen, this is in progress. Once it is done, you will see a message installation is complete. Let's jump to the next step. You can simply type Ollama command. Press enter to run it. Now you can see some options like chat, code work, launch Cloud Code, launch Open Code, launch Hermes Agent, launch OpenClaw. So some other interface also available to work with Ollama, the IDE. Okay, if you want to proceed with the IDE, you can proceed here, but I am going to show you how you can simply interact with the Ollama provided models. So select the first option and move to the next step. Now here we have some models which are available. If you choose anyone, this will ask you to log in. Okay, once you log in, once you complete the login with the Gmail ID, right, then you will again open a fresh prompt and fresh command prompt and then type the Ollama, and you can choose the version, any version of the model. Like here I have chosen JLM 5.2 cloud, and then I have just pressed enter. Now it is redirecting me to the login page for the Ollama website. And now once you've complete the login with the help of your Gmail ID, this will be able to use. We have additional models as well, so you can choose anyone, and the same process you have to do. You have to log in. Once login will be successful, you will see this screen, and here you can give the prompt. Now it is ready to interact with the model. So let's type some prompt. Write a Java program to print hello cool IT help on the terminal. Let's see it should work or not. Okay, so this is processing my request and asking me to approve this next step or the things what it is doing, and again it is asking me to approve once. Okay, so it has given me the program hello world, you can see on the top. Also gave me the instruction how I can run it. Also complete instruction, everything. Now this model is working because we have selected this one. This is properly connected with the Ollama. And now if you want to exit from this Ollama interface, you have to simply press Ctrl C button from your keyboard. If you are using a Windows keyboard, so simply press Ctrl plus C button and you will be exit from the place. Okay friends, we have seen the first step. Now let's move to the second. If in any case you want to uninstall Ollama completely, you have to run this single command, right? Winget uninstall ollama.ollama, press enter, then you will see this kind of interface of uninstallation, and finally you will get a message like this is successfully uninstalled. And now you can simply exit. So friends, we have seen the installation of Ollama CLI and uninstallation of Ollama from the Windows operating system. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please hit like button and do subscribe to appreciate. And for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.